If you like to talk about the hypocrisy of Jehovah's Witnesses and Watchtower, this is a place for you. Please subscribe and turn on notifications, and with that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so you've seen the, $780 million thing that I was talking about for the bail for the gentleman. So I've been reading your comments, and I've seen a bunch of people telling me that it's not saying this, that it's saying something different, and it's 44. I just want to make this really, really clear. I don't know if those people are bullshitting you on purpose, or if they're just jackasses, or if they don't know what they're looking at. I don't know. I don't care. I'm going to state this right now. The description in the previous video, all the information is there. You just go into the description file, you click the little button, then you go into the registry for California, and you have to register an account. You can't look at it without registering an account. Once you register an account, then you can go through the data and you can look at it. So I went and did it, and I'm going to show you what results I saw. Okay, so you've registered. You've typed in the case number. Simple search is the thing you scroll down to. It's kind of like, I'm partially colorblind, but I believe it's orange or green. I don't know what color it is, but you'll say simple search. Type it in. This is the part. This is why you guys gotta be careful. When people are on my channel and they're lying to you, dude, knock them out. Call their bullshit. You guys should do this. Like, look, when they said it's 55,000. Look at the year, 5/13/2021. Are we in 2021? Did the description I show you say 2021? No, it said 2024. So just pop them right in the face. Be like, oh, you said that this, but it's 2021, but we're in 2024. So why are you looking at bail from 2021 when we're talking about bail right now? So when you're dealing with Jehovah's Witnesses, it's super, super simple. When they're like lying to you and trying to throw it. I mean, think about this. I put this out here, and you know what's something that's really weird? I just want to say this is my YouTube account was acting weird with that video. It was telling me, and maybe this is a normal thing, that like I was making comments and telling people, and I was saying that you're being dumb and you're lying, and it was sending me these responses telling me that I'm not following the guidelines and that I'm need to keep my comments, like, I don't know, friendly or some stupid shit like that. I've never seen that before. So I think that's kind of weird that that's popping up on my account right now as soon as I'm, telling you guys something. I don't know. Maybe there was an update and I'm just not aware and I don't really care. But whatever. We're moving on. Just remember, the screenshot you're seeing here is information. Oh, yeah. So what's on the screen? Look at this, dude. It's $805,000. And what is this one? This is 5/20/21 current bail bond company. Look, oh, the reason why I was showing you guys this is look at this. This is really important. So I guess this is where the bond company is associated with, and then I guess who the bond is with. When you get to the 2024, they're not telling you the information. They're saying it's been what does it say? We'll have to wait till we get down to it, because I can't remember what exactly it says, but it's got some kind of like little message right next to the $780 million. Yeah, so just so you guys know, like, I didn't know this. I had to go and search through this stuff, and I'm just going to let you guys see all this shit. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom and then scroll back up, because you're going through all his stuff that he's done and all the things with the court he's done since 2021 or whatever, the first time he entered the system, to whatever it was. And so look at all this, all this crap. And so obviously go through the comments, guys, of the first video, and then look at the people and look at them trying to gaslight you. Like, seriously, you log in, type in a little thing. Sorry, I got cut off there. So you just type it in. Okay, so this right here, 12, go scroll all the way down, 12/12/2024, court fines held B, blah, blah, blah. And, okay, here we go. Defense waived, blah, blah, blah. Oh, there you go. Look. 12/12/2024 bail set $780 million, and it looks like reduced. Okay, so I'm just gonna freeze frame it, and then so we can kind of look at it together here, because I just want you guys to understand, like, I am not a lawyer, and so I'm looking at this. I don't go through digging through court records very often, but look right there. It says amount $780 million reduced. Now, to me, and like I said, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not going to pay for a lawyer to go ask this shit. I don't know any lawyers that I can currently speak to about this at the moment. But it says reduced. So $780 million is the reduced amount. Defendant remains on, surety bond. So they've paid the $780 million, and now he's on the bond. Okay, held to answer form receipt. Now, this is the thing. The other ones, though, the other parts, you could click on the little where it says bail set, and it would tell you who paid it. They're not telling you who paid it, which is the part that's really interesting. I don't know if that's because it's ongoing. I don't know. I'm not saying it's like suspicious or anything. I'm just saying that I don't know how it works, and I'm not going to say it. I mean, I think that what's happening is because it is an ongoing case still, that the documentation isn't there. So they're not telling you who it is because it's still an ongoing case. That's what it looks like to me. That's what I'm going to guess. So, like I said, let's be honest. Who can afford $780 million? I like how people in the comments are being like, oh, like, you don't know for sure, and you're just saying, like, really? This guy has been working with Watchtower. Watchtower's representing him. Watchtower asked the judge. The judge says that they want to bring lenience on him because of what the church had said. Like, and then you're going to sit here and tell me that they didn't have anything to do. Who has $780 million to put bail for some random pedo? Like, I'm sorry. I'm just going to be honest with you, guys. I know usually I'm going to argue with the JWs and just give them a straight up knockout, but this is so bluntly obvious. This is so stupid and so completely and utterly black and white that I'm not even going to bother. I'm just not. If you're that dumb, then there's no helping you. You're just going to die of retardation. And that's just how it's going to be. You're never going to wake up. You're never going to do nothing. If you're this stupid that this guy is a pedophile who gets busted, has been in the system since 2019 or whatever. He's got 20 felony charges, dozens of kids molested by him. And then this is the part, dude, I want you guys to think about. And a lot of you guys who are, serious about this and are paying attention and pointed this out. And I said this. Who the shit is this guy? Somebody pointed out that this bail is higher than P. Diddy's. Who on earth is this dude? What does he know? So there's only two choices. One, he's some type of huge ringleader of something that they're putting a bail this high. Or two, he's giving information about somebody really, 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 really powerful who's done something really, really, really bad, like P. Diddy, and they're wanting to make sure that he can't get out because that is an insane amount of bail. Insane. So there's no way that this guy is just some everyday nobody, and Watchtower is going to basically almost bankrupt themselves to try to hide something for this dude. Like, come on, man. Okay, so what I did here is I was looking through this stuff, and then I'm seeing it, and then what I do is I wanted to show you guys where their information was, and you'll see me skip up and down, showing you kind of where it's located. So see, it's at the bottom there. You gotta scroll all the way to the top here, just so you can see that I'm not bullshitting you or showing you fake shit. Here's the shit that we talked about earlier. It's on the screen, and look, there's the results. Look at it. You can see it's the same douchebag, and then scroll all the way down, JWs, then go up, and there you go. You'll see that I wasn't bullshitting, just like I said, just like I always do. I'm always telling you guys the truth. If I mess up, I'll tell you, and I didn't. Comment right there. Bail set. reduced.